Yeah, right.
Pacific
No, right,
Crest
like-
Trail, 2,600 miles, Mexico to Canada.
Yeah.
Like, are you doing the entire thing?
That's the goal.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, there's like fire, snow, a lot of things that could kick me off the trail, but right now the goal is to do it all the way.
I didn't even think about that. Yeah, all the forest fires
Yeah.
going on
Oh,
there.
it was bad. I was watching videos, people doing it last year, and in Oregon, it's just smoky. Yeah. But I think going early is going to help with that because the fires usually start in like July and August. And if I can get through Oregon in June and beat the fires,